overlandulance.
Yeah, buddy.
Good morning. Morning, honey.
Morning.
So we woke up. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. We're both in the back of this ambulance. You're sleeping on a blow-up mattress, a twin one, and I was sleeping on the bed seat. Basically, woke up like two of those frozen taquitos in the freezer. They're on the microwave to warm them up. It's cold,
It got cold last night.
Digging the ambo. This thing is sweet, runs sweet, shifts sweet. My face is all swollen like every morning. But now we get to go explore some beautiful country on the way home. So, stay tuned. Just gonna walk over here and check this out real quick. This is such beautiful country. What the heck? Just seen something giant move over there. Place is just beautiful, man. I love getting out here and exploring all this stuff. Yeah.
Saw something big move up there when I was first walking out. It scared the crap out of me.
I'm gonna get up here before Jimmy starts wondering where I'm at. Sure is nice. Toyota Centipede. Gotta love it. Montana's pretty beautiful. Not gonna lie. What you think, Jaime?
I love Montana.
So much water everywhere. Missoula is nice. It's May and we're about to hit some snow. This is crazy. Look at the mountains. Got snow up there. Got a little snow there, but it was actually falling slightly while we were driving. So I think we're about to get in to some more than we bargained for. Montana. We went through this pass and it was like a blizzard. Tons of snow on the ground. We made it alive. I think we're calling it here for them. Not sure what happened, but I think it followed us down the pass. What in the heck is going on here? Dang it all.
Maybe I'm wrong, but I think it's summer or spring. But luckily, I've got my winter perks on. Yeah, buddy. I wonder if you've never been. Sud's Hut, famous chicken. It's delicious. We recommend.
Well, we're back on the road finally. I'm gonna show you Jimmy and look outside of his window. Got snowed in.
It's spring.
It's spring. It's May in Montana, and it was like a huge snowstorm. But we got to spend some time with some cool people, his in-laws and stuff. It was awesome. And now we're back on the road, headed towards Arizona. But really, we're going to Ogden, Utah, right?
Yep, we're gonna hit up the homie in Ogden.
And then slow roll it down. Should be some cool stuff, hopefully. Loves. So we're making a pit stop in Idaho Falls on our way down to Ogden, and as you saw, the topography changed drastically. Still cool, but one thing I realized was that, maybe you guys know this already, but all the exits are just mileposts, and it starts from the, whoa, what is that building? The temple? Is that the, looks like,
Oh, I'm talking about the huge Army surplus warehouse.
oh, there it is. But yeah, so like milepost 116, I guess from state line to state line, it starts counting from the south up north. And so basically exits are just at the milepost. I don't know if I said that right. But we're gonna grab a bite to eat and fuel up. We made it to Ogden, Utah. Hooray! Now time to make it over to Jimmy's friend's house, relax, and enjoy the night. Well, good morning, everybody. We are now leaving Ogden, Utah. We had a good time with Brett, Jan, Logan, and Dungy, friends of Jimmy's. How long have you known him, Jimmy?
I've known Brett a long time. We go way back into the off-road racing days.
And you guys were roommates at one time too, huh?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna head down and see if we can make it down to Bullhead City. Go hang out with some family and friends. And thank you guys for following. Thank you to you guys for hosting us. And hopefully we'll see you guys again. We're not gonna gamble our life away, but we're passing Vegas. So if you wanna see it, the Strip. That's it, straight ahead. It's like a mini Las Vegas Strip.
With flip-flops and wife beaters.
Flip-flops, wife beaters,
And board shorts.
board shorts. You can stay at hotels on the water, hit the Colorado River, then go in and have some tasty beverages and gamble. It's actually kind of cool for what it is. There they are on the jet skis. There's a campground over there. Everybody out there having some fun on their Sea-Doos. Getting hammered. And near drowning. But whatever. YOLO!